We have several frost-proof hydrants around our farm. They have provided years of dependable protection from pipes freezing. They are most valuable in applications like protecting the water supply to cattle watering troughs. When we had a problem with our frost-proof hydrant, the question was, should we try to repair it or replace it? The hydrant is simple to operate. Pull up on the lever and the water flows, lower it down, and the water supply is cut off. The business end of the frost-proof hydrant is the valve seat that is located in the ground below the frost line. When the hydrant is turned off, the water drains from the supply pipe, so there is no water to freeze in cold weather. There appears to be a fail point designed into the hydrant. The clevis rod connects the handle to the long rod that travels down to the valve seat. We had the clevis rod break on one of our hydrants, and we ordered a kit to simply replace it. The instructions were for a blue handle hydrant. Instructions started by removing the handle. The instructions went on to include using 2 large pipe wrenches, remove the hydrant head from the pipe. This was definitely a 2-person job. We had to use cheater bars to get enough leverage. With the age of the hydrant, it having been installed out in the weather for years and originally assembled in a factory, removing the head from the pipe was not as easy as we thought it would be. After the repair and reassembly, we turned the water back on. The new rod broke again immediately. If you have a blue head, green head, black head, or other color hydrant, our recommendation, that is if you can, simply unscrew the entire hydrant from the street elbow and replace the entire unit. It's easier, saves time, the cattle will get water quicker, and you will have the peace of mind of having a brand new hydrant for years of service. Thanks for watching RizzieFarms, guys.